namamalikmata lang. Ba't nababahala? Di ba't ako'y mag-isa? Kala ko'y payapa, boses mo'y tumatawag pa. Binoon naman na ang lahat, tinakpan naman na kinsukat. Ngunit ba't ba ang dito pa rin? Hirap na akong intindihin. Tanging panalangin, lubayan na sana. Dahil sa bawat tingin, mukha mo'y nakikita. Kahit saan man mapunta ay anino mo'y kumakapit sa aking kamay. Ako ay dahan-dahang nililibing ng buhay pa. Hindi na makalaya, dinadalaw mo ko bawat gabi. Wala mang nakikita, haplos mo'y ramdam pa rin sa dilim. Hindi na nanaginip, hindi na makagising. Pasindi na ng ilaw, minumulto na ko ng damdamin ko, ng damdamin ko. Ng damdamin ko. Hindi mo ba ako lilisanin? Hindi pa ba sapat pagpapahirap sa'kin? Hindi na ba mamamaya pa? Hindi na ba mamamaya pa? Nakikita
tao, pumapatay lang ako ng kalungkutan ko, pati ng sa'yo. Ibabalik kita ng buong buo, pangako yan sa'yo, sa'yo lang ang puso ko. Kahit kainin mo at hahalik ka lang, may lipstick na dugo sa labi kong punong-puno ng panlasa ko sa'yo. Kanibalismo, di ka matiis kapag inalis mo, di kay mamimiss, di nagmamalinis, o ika'y mamimiss, di ka matitiis. Tatlo na sais,
Nakatingin, hindi alam ang gagawin. Nauutal, ano bang dapat kong sabihin? Nababaliw, di mapigilan aking pagngiti pagka ika'y sumasagi sa aking isip. Pag-ibig na ba talaga itong nadarama? Teka lang, parang ang bilis masyado. Nangungulila na sa'yo bago pa makilala. Pag-ibig na ba talaga? Pag-ibig ba? Kaakit-akit nauulol sa'yo, sa aking nalapit, tanggal ang angas ko. Tell me your fears. I've turned back the clocks, it's that time of year. If we stay the course, we could get it right. But I'm not devoid of an appetite. And everything seems to be coming up roses, but I'm scared if we're both right. Does that mean we're not aligned? Just for tonight, let's go hangover chasing. And I'll talk your ear off about why it's safe as I fumble my words and fall flat on my face through the truth. Just say the word and we'll take up the test, where we flirt with the bad ones and skip all the rest. But we see out the night with your head on my chest, me and you. There's only me and you. Now I see your tears on account of my wants, and now it appears that I'm feeling guilty and worried, dear, that you think that I might not want you here. Does all of this seem to be bringing us closer? Am I backseat in your life, judging while you drive? Just for tonight, let's go hangover chasing. And I'll talk your ear off about why it's safe as I fumble my words and fall flat on my face through the truth. Just say the word and we'll take up the test, where we flirt with the bad ones and skip all the rest. But we see out the night with your head on my chest, me and you. There's only me and you. It's only me and you. La 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 la. La 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 la. Da 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 da. La 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 la. La la la.